Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. As I do, now I bring you this advice to make some small logs to help you light your grills or campfires. No, it's not sushi at all. They are very easy to make and with materials that you already have in your homes. Son muy prácticos para lavarlos cuando vamos a acampar ya que son muy pequeños y se queman. De gran ayuda cuando quieran empezar a hacer fuego y más si a lo mejor las ramas no están tan secas. So let's see what we will need to make them. Vamos a necesitar la cera, los cartones de los rolos de papel de baño o de toallas de papel. Algodón y si no tuvieran pueden utilizar también papel de baño, aunque de preferencia es que usen la pelusa que se acumula en la secadora ya que es ideal para esto. Apart from that, we give it a use instead of just throwing it away. Now let's see how to make them. We took the roll of toilet paper, grabbed the cotton and began to unravel it, for lack of a better word. We put it in the cardboard tube so that it is as tight as possible and we push it all the way down. This is where we can help ourselves with toilet paper if we don't have much cotton or even wax paper that the candle came in. The point is to make it completely full and as tight as possible. Once finished, you should see something like this. Ahora tomamos una ala que ya no usamos ok luego vayamos a lavarla perfectamente dejándola remojar en agua caliente y vamos a derretir la cera que tenemos a fuego alto por un par de minutos. Wake checking because it melts very quickly. When it has melted and is completely liquid as seen in the video, we turn off the heat and let it rest for another couple of minutes so we can use it and not burn ourselves. We put our cardboard with the cotton or paper on a metal plate, wood or some surface that is not used and is resistant to withstand the hot wax. And with great caution try to pour all of this into the rolls. If it happens to you like it did to me, don't worry because as soon as all that wax dries it can be melted again and added to this again. Do this on both sides so that the wax fits well into all the paper and cotton inside. Just wait a couple of minutes for them to grab it with the help of a glove so they can turn it around without getting burned. There you can see all the wax on the sides, but it is the one that I tell you can be melted again so that the entire roll is well impregnated, since that is the point. Since they let it dry for at least half an hour, it should be completely solid just like the one I show you on the screen, and here the only thing we do is cut them into 3 parts with the help of a serrated knife, so that it has the ideal size to help us light the charcoal on the grill or to start a campfire. When we are camping, all that remains is to try them so that they are satisfied that they do serve perfectly. Since they have arranged their charcoal or the branches and logs to make their campfire, they place either 1 or 2 of these logs and only light them with a match or a lighter. And it should catch them immediately. Little by little you will notice how the flame is growing, and for that I take the time so that you can see how long it lasts more or less lit. Here the clock says 8:36 p.m. and they are completely lit and more than 10 minutes have already passed, or 8:47 p.m. as the clock shows, which is more than enough for the charcoal or a bonfire to light, and they are still both lit and intensely. So you will not have any problem lighting your campfire or charcoal for your barbecue, and you will not have to blow or fan it with air since those logs will be lit for more than 10 minutes. So as you could see, with just cardboard, wax and a little cotton or paper we can make some small but effective logs to help us start a campfire or light the charcoal for our grills, and in a very easy and cheap way because we already had almost everything in our homes. Apart from that, you can keep it in a box or a jar since it will not spoil because it is exactly the same as a candle. So you can make them in advance so you can have them on hand when you need them. As you already know, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. Thanks for watching and I hope you like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.